And alrighty guys, we got a little bit of a different video. I'm sure you can probably figure that out because I'm not at my normal setup. We're doing an unboxing video again. And this time it's for my new motherboard for my new gaming PC. Well, not my new gaming PC, my current gaming PC. So, without further ado, let's do it. Alright. So anyone who's wondering what board it is, you're gonna have to wait. I've waited 2 weeks for this because I ordered it right before Christmas, so it didn't ship until like afterwards. Oh my goodness, this thing's got a briefcase handle on it. What the heck is... Okay, there's like no protection whatsoever for this thing. This is unnecessary how big this is. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. This is the packaging it came in. There's like almost nothing here for it at all. There's almost nothing here to like stop it from moving. I thought there would be like styrofoam or something. But that's cool though. That is cool. So anyone who is wondering, it is the Z690 Ace, the MEG Z690 Ace by MSI, which if you're a PC enthusiast, you probably know this isn't actually a very cheap board. But I got it on an insane discount that they were doing very exclusively until the 31st of December. Alright, let's see how we open this thing. Wait, which... Oh, this opens from here, okay. What the heck? How do you open this thing? Is there like a seal somewhere? I don't want to destroy this box because this is a really, really nice box.
5 hours later.
Oh wow. Look at the presentation. They literally give you a whole logo, the dragon, everything. Holy mother. That is a nice looking board. Oh my god, I'm scared to touch it. I'm scared to touch this thing. Okay. I don't even want to touch it. I don't even want to touch this thing at all. Anyone who is wondering, I have built computers before, so I'm not new to seeing a motherboard. Oh wait, I forgot. This board has covers on the back. Can you imagine I dropped this thing or something? Oh my god, this thing is heavy. So if you got, just so you guys know, this board has covers on the back, so like none of the PCB stuff is exposed at all. Do you see this? Chat. Oh my goodness, man. Alright, let's just put that down very, very carefully. Okay. Holy mother. That is absolutely beautiful. If any of this gold is actually like legit like they say they are, then this is a stunning board. And lots of M.2 slots that are going to be available, because I know there's like a bunch down here. There's another one up there. Oh man, this is a beautiful, beautiful board. And any PC enthusiast that's wondering, or probably knows this already, it has a code reader up at the top for like, you know, when the system goes in post for the first time. Wow. Which I do have a PC build video coming up soon. So probably by the time that this video is up, that video should be done already, and it's probably under like editing process or something. But I will keep you guys as updated as possible. Alright, but did they include anything else? Let's just put it back in the bag. Oh my god, I keep forgetting how heavy this thing is. How much does this thing weigh? I'd actually be curious to like weigh this thing. This is heavy. The heat sinks are probably like adding a bunch of weight to it. And who knows what else. Probably the covers are as well. I know I showed this to you guys before, but like this is just such an introduction here. Such an introduction. So I guess I should probably tell you guys that I have built quite a few computers before. I've never shared it on the channel just because at the time I didn't really feel comfortable doing it. So I'm going to be doing this for the first time. There should be 2 builds coming up. One that I'm doing for me, which is redoing my main system. And then the other one I'm actually doing for a family member. I'm curious to see how they're going to provide the driver updates for the board. If I see a DVD in here, oh man, the coaster's going to be real. Okay. Fine. I guess we're just really gonna take this whole. Wow. I feel like I have a pizza in my hand. Because I had a previous MSI board currently in my system, which was a Z690, which I'll explain. I know 11th gen doesn't work on here. I'll explain to you guys. Don't worry. So anyone who's panicking, trust me, I'm well aware. Okay, cables. We don't really care about. We'll put these back in the box once we look through everything. Oh, that's nice. They give you a microfiber cloth to clean the gold, probably. Okay. Cables. Oh my goodness. There's so many. There are so many. What is this? Oh! I believe I know what this is. This is the screw for the M.2. It's the locking mechanism rather than just putting another screw in. Is this the same microfiber cloth I was looking at before? Okay, yeah, it was. Okay. We got our traditional MSI stickers, which I think they include in pretty much all of their boards. And well, this is the one they include in all of their boards, but those will probably stay in the box. All right, a little code to like register the product. Cool. Stickers again. Now this is what I was looking for. So it is a USB drive. Cool. I wasn't sure if they were gonna give me a coaster again. All right. All right. Wi-Fi cables. All right. Let's see what we got in here. All right. We have another M.2 screw for the locking mechanism. Screwdriver, Phillips head, and a flathead. The brush to clean off the actual board, which, you know, I'll open the products for you guys. Why not? Anyone who's curious what the stuff looks like, you pull it out like that with the side handle here. Or if you want to go the other way, you can bring out the more harder brush. This is for just like cleaning, dusting it off. It's just very cool that they incorporate this in here. My previous board has the same thing. It has a couple of these things. It doesn't weigh as heavy. It's a lot lighter, like I said. The cables that no one, again, cares about. Oh, and then more screws for the M.2 locking mechanism. Because anyone who's wondering, there's like 5 or 6 M.2 slots on this motherboard. Which is just absolutely insane. Not that, like, I mean, it's an enthusiast level board. So, like, anyone who's paying full price for it probably is going to be occupying a couple of those slots. I might at some point, but it depends. Whatever deals or prices I find my M.2s for. Alright. So we got most of the stuff out. So we got everything put away back in the box, because there's not really much that would be very interesting other than like some cables. I showed you guys the stickers and the little cleaning tool that they give you, the nice little cleaning tool to go. But besides the point. Alright, so I think it's time we go over a few things about the motherboard and like why I have a Z590 and why I'm going to Z690. This is a DDR5 platform board. I do have DDR5 sticks that I'm waiting to put in this build, along with a 12700K, which is going to be more than enough for what I'm doing, and it'll be fast enough. That being said, the graphics card choice, which I did just upgrade my graphics card recently. Now I'm wondering a little more because of the whole TI Super thing that's been going around. I will be doing a build video on my new build. It's going to be going back into the same case, and then the stuff that's currently in there is going to be going into the family members build. So they're still going to be getting really fast stuff because they're getting an 11700K. Then they're going to get the Z590 board by MSI, which is the Gaming Edge Wi-Fi version. And then they're going to be getting the DDR4 sticks at 3600 megahertz, 32 gigabytes, which is complete overkill, but they are getting a more lower quality card because they're not really going to be gaming. This person doesn't really game, but they are going to be doing a lot of office work. So making sure that they can do almost anything they want with no problems is going to be important. So I'll just specify the card in this video, or I might even take it out. It'll be a GTX 1660 Super, also by MSI. We have actually quite a lot of MSI products now that I'm thinking about it. But They'll be getting the GTX 1660 Super. It's the Gaming X model. So if you guys don't know what that looks like, you guys can probably find it on the internet. It's along the same lineup as like the Gaming X Trio models. It looks very similar to that. With that being said, guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You smash that like button. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you guys stay updated with all my latest videos coming to the channel. And let me know in the comments how you feel about the unboxing videos that I've been doing, because we already did a keyboard review. We did the Xbox Series S Black Carbon Edition, which you guys seem to be liking those because they're doing phenomenal. The Xbox video's doing phenomenal. If you haven't watched that, I'll leave it up in the corner here. But with that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.